Hello friends, this is Sachi Vajpayee and you are watching my channel English with Sachi. In our 45 days English speaking challenge, this is 5th day of English speaking challenge. And today English speaking topic is describe your hobby. And here is well structured and organized template to describe your hobby. You can describe your hobby by using this template. You can go through it and practice with it. First, when we will describe our hobby, first we will use introduction. Name your hobby. You can use phrase like my favorite hobby is, one activity I really enjoy is, in my free time I love to do, in my free time I love to do cycling, I love to play badminton, I love to play read book, I love to listen podcast, watch TV, whatever your hobby is. And second, why you like it. Whatever hobby you have, why do you like it? For that, you can say it helps me relax, it keeps me motivated, it gives me sense of peace, it allows me to express myself. And second, how you do it and when you do it. I usually do it in the evening. I spend at least an hour on it every day. I practice it whenever I get time. I prefer doing it alone, with my friends, with family members. And fourth, what you feel while doing it. आपको कैसा लगता है जब आप ये करते हैं, अपनी हॉबी को फॉलो करते हैं? How is your emotions and thought perspective about your hobby? I feel refreshed and energized. It makes me forget all my stress. I feel completely focused. It lifts my mood instantly. Next, impact on your life. Whatever hobby you have and you follow, what is the impact of your hobby in your life, in your positivity, in your growth? You can say it helps me stay positive, it improves my creativity, it keeps me mentally active, it adds joy of my daily life. Here is closing line. Overall, this hobby is an important part of my life. I can't imagine my life without it. I can't imagine my life without it. It's something I truly enjoy for cherish. And some useful phrases to describe your hobby, like I'm passionate about. I got into the hobby when I got into the hobby when I was child, when I was in college, when I was with my friends, when I was whatever. This hobby keeps me grounded. It's my escape from daily routine. It brings me a lot of happiness. I find it really satisfying. It's my favorite way to spend me time. Me time is very important for life. Whatever you are doing, my suggestion is, my request is, everyone should manage their me time. It helps me unwind from a long day. And there's some vocabs for hobbies. General vocabs like relaxing, refreshing, joyful, therapeutic, creative, energizing, calming, productive, like this. Engaging, time consuming, or some action verbs also. Whenever you will describe your hobby, you can use some action verb like uh, practice, improve, explore, create, focus, express, enjoy, learn, experience, discover, and some idioms for your hobby description. Whenever we would like to speak or any prompts, any things, if we use some good phrases and idioms, it sounds like reaching, it sounds like fluent speaker, good speaker, like idioms for hobby descriptions. These make your speaking natural. It feels like native speakers are expert speakers. It's my cup of tea. It's my cup of tea means something you enjoy very much. It helps me recharge my batteries, helps you relax. I lose track of time. You enjoy it so much that time passes quickly. It takes my mind off things, remove stress. You forget all your stress, anxiety whenever you are into in your hobby. It lets me express myself, like helps creativity. I am hooked on it. You loved it very much. Full example model answer. Here is a full sample using template. My favorite hobby is reading spiritual books. I enjoy it because it helps me relax and keeps my mind calm. I usually read it at night when the house is quiet. Whenever I read, I feel peaceful and completely focused. It takes my mind off stress and helps me see life more clearly. This hobby has improved my patience and given me a positive outlook. Overall, reading is my cup of tea. Reading is my cup of tea. It's something I truly cherish. So this is a ready-made version. You can use this. You can make your note. You can describe your hobby by using this template. Thank you so much. Hopefully we will meet in next video. And my request is, if you are here and you watched my full video, please like and subscribe to motivate me. Thank you so much.